YouTube family, what is poppin', man? I'd like to welcome you guys right back to the channel. I'd like to say thank you all once again for tuning in to you, boy. Now, today we're gonna do something just a little bit different. You guys see me go snatch up these Air Max 95s. And in the previous video, as you see, I showed you all what I'll probably be rocking with this fit. So today we're gonna do something just a little bit different, man. I'm gonna show you guys how I would style these kicks. So let's get into it. Now, for the people that probably missed out or just tuning into this video, I'm gonna show you guys fit one. Just basically this Air Max 95 jersey right here. The back of it got Air Max 95 on the back of it as well. I think this is like a like the little biker jerseys them cats be wearing that ride the bikes and stuff like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, but what stood out to me besides the colors in this is that it was crazy detailed, like on the side right here. It says Air Max 95, Nike all the way down the side. And not only on the front, it says Nike Air Max. On the back, it says it too. And I didn't even see this right here, along with the Air Max logo right here. So let's get into the next item. Now on to this next one. This right here was actually a jacket, like a little sweatsuit, what I call it, tracksuit. It actually came with a pair of pants that match, but everywhere over the whole DFW, I cannot find my size in the pants, not even like a size down. So only thing I seen was small, large. I didn't even see extra larges anywhere, but this right here was crazy dope because it matched up perfectly with the Air Max 95. Open it up for you guys. It's real lightweight, which was very dope to me. As you can see, it's open. And I think on the front right here, it also has the Air Max 95 emblem right there, but definitely stood out. Okay. And as far as my bottoms for this jersey that we're gonna pair with, I'll probably just do some black purple brand shorts right here. These are the P509 straight fit. Just a solid pair of black shorts that I'm gonna pair along with these. Accessories, let's get into the accessories. I'll probably just rock just one wallet chain today. Along with me, it's all black Gucci belt right here. Throw this on with these joints. Even though the jersey is long and you probably won't get a chance to see the belt, but we're gonna coordinate everything together. So let me show you guys the shoes. I know you guys have seen the sneakers, but let me show them to you again. And as for the sneakers, of course, we know what these are, the Air Max 95s. So this is my question though. If you guys got these, comment down below, let me know what you think about them. And I wanna know what made Nike bring these back out. I guess it was a GR. They came out, I think, last year, and like nobody was able to cop these, but not anybody that I knew. And the resale price on these was crazy. I don't know what the resale price is now. I actually ended up picking them up, so I didn't even look at the resale. And I noticed like every Air Max 95 that came out last year is coming out again this year. I don't know what made Nike do that, but if y'all know, comment down below. So let me show you guys how I'm gonna rock this fit. As you guys can see, this is how I styled the first fit. Just basically the jersey, the purple brand shorts with the kicks, and of course the accessories. But you know, I could have went jeans with this or whatever. I just wanted to do something a little bit different. But you can go either or jeans, like I say, in Texas. It's supposed to be hot here, but we just had a 40 something degree day. No, I'm sorry, 80 something degree day. So it's just the weather crazy, so that's why I went with the shorts. Or you can go with jeans, either or. Now, the jacket, I'm gonna try the jacket on and let you guys know what I think about it. And as y'all can see, this is the track jacket right here. Now I'm not gonna give y'all the glow up of this, because all I'm gonna do with this is rock the sweatpants that come with it, and that's gonna be the go-to with that. I could have threw on some jeans and did something different, but I just like how the sweatsuit come together, how it complements the pants. The pants, I think, are black as well. It's the same color, but they have black in them, and they also have the Air Max logo right here. Let me zip this up for y'all so you can see how it looks. Zip. And it's very lightweight. Very lightweight. Also come with a collar. And very thin. So yeah, man, this right here was dope. I just hate that I did not find the pants in the store. I don't even think JD Sports had the pants online. I think I may have to try Shoe Palace. The lady told me that she could place an order online for me at Shoe Palace. I did not think this tracksuit was gonna sell out like that. I honestly thought the jersey would probably sell out, and that was the first thing I grabbed. They was actually promoting that jersey maybe like 2-3 weeks for the Air Max even drop. So that's what made me like, damn, I hope I didn't miss out on it. Like I wasn't really seeing this. I don't know if this was something that they put out right around maybe like a week or so for the shoes drop, but I think I seen that jersey maybe 2 or 3 weeks before the sneaker even dropped, and I knew that was gonna be a hit. Because I know gray and lime, it ain't really too many things you compare it with that. So, let you guys see this one more time. Let me unzip it. Turn around. Let you guys check out the back of it. And you can go true to size. This here is this is the extra large, and it looks a little roomy on me. I probably maybe could have went down one more, but I did. This is a little roomy on me. Y'all know me, I'll probably just rock my sleeves up or whatever. But I'm definitely looking forward to getting the pants to go with this, to complete this setup. That's why I didn't give you guys a whole fit of this, how I did the jersey, man. So I just wanted to bring you guys something different to show you guys how I will style these Air Max 95, these neons. If y'all want to see more of these videos of how to style different types of sneakers, just comment down below. Let me know what y'all think of it. This is something new that I'll be bringing to the channel, along with a few other things that you guys seen, like firearms and stuff like that. And I know I've said this once, I'm saying it again. Comment down below if you got the Air Max 95s. Now, this kind of was like a, I don't want to say, what am I trying to say? I don't want to say these were like a replacement for the 5s, or I had to have these for the 5s. But now that I'm looking at these Air Max, and some people might think I'm crazy, some people might blow me down when I say this, I'm kind of happy to have these over the 5, the wood gray 5s, because I feel like I can do more and I can be more creative. Because I know neon green definitely stands out more than gray. No diss to the wood gray 5s, they could have fell in my lap. Definitely. If they fall in my lap now, I'm still gonna purchase. Not for no ridiculous price, but I definitely take these because I feel like I can do more with these, and I do feel like they stand out more. And you know, you comment down below, let me know what you think about that. Don't drive me up the wall, but I'm just saying, if I'm more happy with these. I know some people gonna be like, he only said it because he can get the wood gray 5s. No, if I had the wood gray 5s right here and the Air Max neons right here, I would do the comparison. I would still say the Air Max neons or the 95 neons stand out more than the wood gray 5. So man, y'all done came this far. I just want to say thank y'all once again for following me, boy. If you haven't already, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. 10K this year, it'll be a huge accomplishment for me. What else? Oh, the Instagram, Scotty_Nino, if you haven't already, and my TikTok, Scotty Nino. That's where you'll definitely see, like, you'll see more videos like this, but I'll post them on TikTok. So man, until the next video, I want to say thank each and every one of y'all. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay out like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Drop a can and twist the baby girl, just wanna